Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your TP-Link Archer AC1200 router using the TP-Link Tether app. With just a few simple steps, you can get your router up and running from your smartphone. Let's dive in. Inside the box, you'll receive everything you need to get started: the TP-Link TLMR6400 4G LTE router, a power adapter for reliable energy supply, an Ethernet cable for wired connections, and a quick installation guide to assist with easy setup. First, head over to your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. For Android users, go to the Google Play Store. Search for TP-Link Tether and download the app. This is a free app available for both iOS and Android devices. While the app is downloading, let's get the router ready. Plug the TP-Link TLMR6400 into a power source using the included power adapter. Wait for the power LED and the 4G LTE light to stabilize. Now, connect your computer or mobile device to the router. You can do this using a LAN cable or by connecting to the default Wi-Fi network name printed on the sticker under the router. The default Wi-Fi password is also listed there. Now that your phone is connected to the router's Wi-Fi, open the TP-Link Tether app. When the app launches, it should automatically detect your TP-Link TLMR6400 router. If it doesn't, tap on the top right corner to manually add the router. When prompted by the app, you'll need to log in to your TP-Link TLMR6400 router. By default, both the username and password are set to admin. Enter these credentials carefully, then tap the login button to continue with the setup process. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the router's dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your router. You'll be able to configure your internet connection type, set up your Wi-Fi network name. Next, you'll want to configure your Wi-Fi settings. Tap on Wireless Settings and change your SSID to something unique so you can easily recognize it. Also, create a strong Wi-Fi password to keep your network secure. Once the router reboots, you'll see the new Wi-Fi network name appear. Connect your device to the Wi-Fi network you just created, and you should be online. If you experience any issues or need assistance during the setup process, don't worry, our dedicated support team is ready to help. Feel free to reach out to our skilled professionals for expert guidance and troubleshooting at 1-323-507-3713. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully set up your TP-Link Archer AC1200 router using the Tether app. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.